Gondor automatic marshmallow production line. Starch mold plate type assembly line. Fully automatic operation. Multicolor synchronous extrusion. Efficient continuous production. Precision cutting system. Save labor costs. Two methods of extrusion and pouring. Colors and shapes support customization. Wide range of application. Client feedback.
At last, I think it will be very nice. I will try to turn it on now. Okay, this is the rotation. This is the fan.